Car accessories are more important than a lot of people give them credit for. These accessories can save you time, money, and even your life. So for today's video, we are going to be giving you the best of the best car gadgets that you will never regret making part of your car. Hey guys, welcome back to TechEvo HD. If this is your first time on the channel, we make videos all about life-changing gadgets. If that's something that you're interested in, be sure to hit the subscribe button to join the family. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 12, the dash cam. A dash cam is a useful gadget that has gradually gained more popularity as people begin to learn more about its importance. This little gadget is used to videotape the driver's journey. It automatically starts when the car starts, so you never have to worry about turning it on. While the dash cam doesn't add any safety features, it can save you a lot of time and hassle when trying to settle minor accident cases. If you spend longer hours than regular driving, then you definitely need a dash cam watching your every move, just in case of necessity. Number 11, a jump starter. Most experts believe that the jump starter should be on the top of any must-have car accessories list, as it can save you a lot of time and energy. When you are on a road trip to the country area or through desert areas, the certainty of finding a person that will give you a jump if you need it is very low. Even if you find a person driving through these areas, chances of them stopping to help you are well below half. The only solution that can save you from this desperate situation is the jump starter kit. The jump starter kit is basically a battery source that allows the driver to start their car if it unexpectedly dies at any time. Just like you would hook a clamp to the battery of your car to draw power from another car battery, you just have to fix the clamps that come with the kit to the battery of the car. As an additional advantage, the jump starter kit is also designed to be used as a backup power source, kind of like a power bank, just much bigger. Number 10, tire pressure monitoring system. There is an alarming number of accidents that happen every year that could have been avoided if safety issues, like wrong tire pressure, were detected beforehand. The tire pressure monitoring system functions by reporting the tire pressure details to the driver in real time. There are three methods of display that the device can use in sending this report. The first is by a pictogram display, the second is a gauge, and last, a simple low-pressure warning light to maintain good fuel economy. The central idea of the system is to help prevent traffic accidents and tire wear that are caused by defective tire pressure. Number 9, GPS tracker. Are you looking to monitor the movement of your driving teenager, or you just need a precautionary measure to be able to track your car down in case it gets stolen? A GPS tracker is a necessity for any car in the modern day. With a compatible smartphone app, you can monitor the exact location of your car whenever you want from wherever you are. Even more interestingly, some of the modern GPS trackers available also offer an option that allows the car owner to set up a geofence. This automatically informs the car owner whenever the car goes over a predetermined location. Number 8, seatbelt cutter and window glass breaker. A lot of times, people die in car accidents not because of the impact, but because they couldn't escape the car quick enough. So having an escape plan in case of an emergency is a good idea. If the car door and seatbelt get stuck as a result of the impacted accident, you can flip out this device, cut the seatbelt, and break the car window to get to safety quick. The good thing about this gadget is that it works for both uses. You don't need to first grab a knife to cut, then look for a glass breaker. You can do both of them with just one little device. This tiny little device can be the difference between life and death. Number 7, Bluetooth scan tool and code reader. You have most likely not heard about this car gadget before. However, this does not mean that it is not a useful tool. In fact, you will find out that it can make your relationship with your car a lot easier. The Bluetooth scan tool is a small device that does diagnosis on your car, but in a faster and more effective manner. The device also breaks down the manufacturer code for you and suggests some more information that is related to the problem your car is facing. It helps with things like symptoms, testing, costing, and also gives reminders when it notices a need for car maintenance and servicing. Some of the best Bluetooth scan tools translate whatever problems your car is facing into basic English, so you easily know what to do and how to fix it, instead of touching everything and hoping something works. Number 6, massage cushion. Whenever you are a person who has to drive for long hours daily, or you are taking a long road trip, or you just want to enjoy a little bit of luxury while sitting in your car, you will never regret getting a massage cushion. Installing is pretty simple, as all you need to do is to attach the massage cushion to the car seat. The cushion has heated rotating nodes that are programmed to soothe your tired muscles after hours of driving. It also comes with a wide range of massage options and allows you to adjust the position and intensity to your taste. The design has the nodes thoughtfully positioned to match the curvature of the human anatomy, thereby guaranteeing a comfortable and soothing experience on every drive. Thanks to the easy attach and remove mechanism, some massage cushions are designed to be used on home and office seats as well. Number 5. Radar Laser Detector. What if you were able to detect the detector before it detected you? The electronic device helps you detect speed monitoring devices like a radar gun. Drivers use this device to reduce their speed in time, enough to not get ticketed by law enforcement for speeding. If you happen to have a need for speed but still do not want to get a ticket, a radar detection is your best option. We have to point out, however, that some of the best performing detectors are usually quite pricey. Nonetheless, you still have to consider how much you will be saving on speeding tickets with a device like this. Number 4. Gofar. Did you ever dream of driving the Batmobile as a kid? Well, this device brings your regular car one step closer to that, in a way. The Gofar is an in-car device that makes your driving that bit smarter. It helps reduce how much time you spend in traffic jams. We know Google Maps already does a pretty good job with that, but it also helps you reduce carbon emissions and save gas. In the trials, this device was able to successfully cut fuel use down by 30%. In case you are wondering how this is possible, let's quickly explain. Every car engine has something called a sweet spot. This is the spot where you're driving the most efficiently. The Gofar uses real-time feedback to provide you with data to help you understand how to get to and maintain driving in the sweet spot. It also alerts you of your fuel consumption using different colors. If the display is blue, you're driving efficiently, and if it's red, you're wasting fuel. Pretty cool, right? Number 3. Exploride Heads-Up Display. The Exploride heads-up display is a device we recommend every driver to have in their cars. It is designed with a quad-core processor, a 6-inch transparent display, 2 GB of RAM, IR, a rear camera, and Bluetooth 4.0. This gadget is like a sum of some of the gadgets we've already talked about in this video, folded into one beautiful gadget. It allows you to receive important calls, enjoy talks and track some online radio. It has a voice calling facility that allows you to make calls without having to take your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. The display of the Exploride also shows you navigation, and with its onboard diagnostics, you get real-time information about the directions, speed, tire pressure, fuel, and other stats that are important to the smooth running of the car. It also offers you a list of apps that you can use as you embark on your journey. Number 2. Bottle Jack for Cars. A bottle jack is a mechanical device used to apply force on an object or lift heavy loads. Incidents of flat tires are almost a part of the everyday driver's life, as it can happen at any time. So whenever this happens, you would need to replace the tire, which would also require you to lift your car. This is where the bottle jack becomes useful. There are some rugged bottle jacks in the market designed for every and any type of situation. So whether you are driving an SUV, a sedan, or an off-road vehicle, you will not have trouble lifting them to change worn tires or maintain your car engine. Before we look at our number 1 pick for today, if you enjoyed this video so far, let us know by clicking on the thumbs up button down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Number 1. Car Seat Organizer. This is the last invention on our list for today's video, but it is definitely not the least. While some of the gadgets we have listed in today's video have their place inside the car, there are others that do not, and that is why you need the car seat organizer. After gathering all the tools and gadgets you will need, the car seat organizer is a device that allows you to keep all of them in a neat manner inside the car at a reachable distance in case of an emergency. This way you do not have to keep a messy interior just because you need to have some gadgets within your reach. And even if you do not have that many gadgets, you can fit things like your stationery, snacks, and other items in the car seat organizer, just to maintain a tidy car interior. What do you think about the items we listed today? Did you find any of them useful? Let us know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.